Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make banner for Discord server for free. So guys, at first go to your browser, then search canva.com. And guys, if you are first here, then you have to create a new account and then tap on the search bar and search Discord banner. And here you will find a lot of free and paid Discord banner samples. So now you can select here anyone that you want. So I am selecting this one. Now tap on customize this template. And guys, once you are in this editing page, you can see there are a plus icon in the below. So tap on it. And here you can see there are many elements that you can use your banner very easily. And after all this, tap on share. Now tap on download. Now here select PNG or GPS. And then just tap on download. And then your banner will be downloaded. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.